Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to go over if I regret getting Microlocs or not. And it's also my 3-month Microloc update. So for any of you that are interested in following my lock journey, you can do so on this channel as well as on my Instagram, which is Brittlocs_. I will have that linked below in the description box. And then also, if you want to follow everything that I'm doing or keep up with what I'm doing, I do a lot of different entrepreneurial things like podcasts. I have credit awareness podcast segments. I have some resources, business resources and services that I go over and share with those who are interested, all on my website at keepingupwithbrittney.com. So if you're interested in anything that I'm doing, any of the services or videos that I create or anything like that, be sure to check out that website, subscribe to my email mailing list, and that way we can all stay connected. But without further ado, I'm going to hop right into the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. So to answer the question, you're going to have to wait a little bit until I get deeper into the video. I want to start off with the 3-month update. So here's my overall look having Microlocs for 3 months. For those of you that are new to this channel, and I'm trying to move my head so you can kind of see around, see as much as you possibly can. For those of you that are new to this channel, I did start my Microlocs with 2-strand twists. And this is how it looks overall. I twisted my hair. I do 2 twists, just flat twists. One on this side, one on this side, and I put my bonnet on, and that's how I sleep at night. I wake up and I fluff my hair out, spray it down with water, and then fluff it out again, and that's how I get this style. This is the style that I've had the entire day. I'm gonna get a little closer so that you can see what it's looking like. If you want to go back and compare my hair now to when I first did my Microlocs, you're more than welcome to do that. I have a complete Microloc playlist on this channel as well. So this is what it looks like. Now I do want to show you all these twists, or not twists, but these locks. These are my test locks. Some of them are my test locks, some of them are the DIY Microlocs that I installed, but because they hang a lot longer than the rest of my hair, I have been like twisting them up and then making like a little knot like this. Not too tight or anything, just so that it can kind of blend in to my hair. Normally I do it better than that, but that's the whole idea, for them to blend into my hair. And then I have some like this that are loose at the end, and then they actually are coming apart. So I twist those back. So I'll just start with unraveling right now. Unraveling has been one of my pet peeves. I really don't like having to twist any of my locks back. I kind of am, I don't want to say regretting starting my locks with the 2-strand method, because I do like, I like the fact that I have more volume with the 2-strand twist, because when I, if I would have opted in for sister locks, I feel like I would have had volume, but not as much as I have right now. And I don't even, I'm definitely going to have more volume as my lock journey continues, but like the ends with these twists, I feel like are bigger than how the Microlocs, how the sister locks ends were in my hair. So I think it gives the illusion of having my hair thicker, like fuller, even though my hair isn't that full. So I do like the twist for that reason, but I'm kind of thinking that I may, if I could go back, I may experiment doing my DIY Microlocs with braids instead of twists, because I'm just not liking having to constantly retwist whatever comes loose. There's not a lot that I have to do each day, but like every few days I find one that is coming unloose or coming unraveled, and it just really irritates me. Other than that, what else can I go over? Products. I'm not using any products still. I know some people use different oils and some people use conditioners sometimes. And I've seen people that have used oils and their hair still locked and everything worked out. However, I've just decided not to use any products. I still use the same shampoo, which is baby shampoo. I don't use any conditioner. I still braid and band. I do notice that my twists look like they're getting tighter, at least the ones that aren't coming unraveled. Like you see this one. This is one that may need to be redone, but because the ends aren't like splitting in two, I haven't redone it. So I'm gonna leave that alone. I just want you to kind of see, they look like they're getting tighter, but some of them, like at the ends, it's the ends, that's kind of, sometimes they'll come loose, sometimes they won't. For styling, I haven't really done too many styles. I'll do like a ponytail, I'll do a bun, I'll do a, I have like 2 twists going back, but I really haven't done a lot of styles. I would say my favorite style is probably wearing it like this, just so I can get out the house. It's really quick to do. I don't have to worry about any products, any heat, no extensions. I just spray the water, fluff my hair, get up and go. What else did I want to talk about? I have my notes right here. I think I pretty much went over everything. So I'm going to answer the question, do I regret getting Microlocs? The answer is, drum roll, no, I don't. I don't miss my loose natural hair at this point. Not to say that I didn't like my loose natural hair, because I did. I'll put a picture in this video of what my loose natural hair looked like. I enjoyed my loose natural hair, but in order for me to get like a style like this, I would need to do like a wash and go on my hair. And the thing with the wash and goes is that they were always hit or miss with me. Probably it was, my fault, user error, I'll take the blame, but it was always hit or miss. So some days my wash and go would come out just like I wanted it. Some days it would not. And then also I would find myself using a lot of product. I would use the Eco Styler gel, and it didn't dry clear all the time. It would dry white in some spaces. And, it was more difficult to achieve this type of style with the wash and go when I did my wash and goes. Now it's not so difficult because I don't have to use any products. My hair just stays like this as long as I spray water on it. I do want to address the fact that some of my locks have been coming loose. I forgot to mention that. Not just unraveling, but like coming out. So I had a lock the other day, I think it's like right here. Yeah, this one that came completely loose. I was trying to do a ponytail, and I put all my hair back because a lot of times I wear like bangs in the front. But I put all of my hair back, and I saw like just this piece of hair just out, and I'm like, what happened? What happened to that lock there? So I twisted it, and then I interlocked it as much as I could. And I do that when I see any of my twists coming out, if I can, because if I just twist it again without interlocking, I feel like it has a greater risk of unraveling or just coming out completely. And I really don't like having to reinstall any twists or any locks. So I did that. And then let me see what else. This lock, I think this got I can't remember. I thought this was longer than it really is. I don't know if it got snagged on something or what. And I don't know if this one got snagged on something, because the end just looks really straggly. Like, look at that. I'll get closer. So I feel like this got snagged on something as well, because it just doesn't look like how it used to look. I did retighten this one because I was wearing a ponytail, and this one won't go up into my ponytail, so it's just like sticking out, and I'm like, let me just retighten it a little bit so it can lay down. So I did that. That's why this one looks retightened again. I did the same thing on the other side as well. Is that a hole right there? Do I need to fix that? I may need to. I'm gonna leave it alone right now. So like I was saying, I don't regret getting my Microlocs. I really like them. The only pet peeve that, like the main pet peeve that I have is the unraveling and having to reinstall certain locks that come loose. For the retightening, that used to be something I really dreaded, but now that I've done it a few times, I feel more confident doing it, and I have a better expectation of what to expect when it's time to retie. So I don't put the pressure on myself to retie it like in 1 to 2 days. I give myself a week, and I give myself portions to work on throughout the week so that I'm done by Friday. I do skip the washing because I typically wash my hair every Friday. I skip the washing for that week when I retighten, and I just wash it again the following Friday. I'm trying to think of anything else. Frizz. I do notice frizz after my hair starts to grow out from the tightening. When I retighten my hair, everything looks really, really good and like intact. But after, I would say I retightened my hair, like 2-3 weeks ago, depending on the weather, depending on if my bonnet slipped off at night or not, I can notice some frizz, but my frizz isn't to the point where it's irritating or I can't take it. So there's that. I am just ready for my hair to completely lock so I don't have to worry about constantly retwisting any of the locks that come loose. Just wanted to come on here and show you all what 3 months look like, what 3 months looks like for me. If you have any questions or if you want any more specific videos, be sure to again leave those questions down below. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'm going to give you another close-up of my hair before I tune out or close out. Sorry for all the awkward movements. I'm trying the best I can to show you all. But that's pretty much it. Want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.